Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you change your profile picture on Discord mobile following a very easy tutorial right here. So follow up with me and let me show you the steps. First, since we're going to be using the Discord app itself, we need to get something out of the way. So open your Play Store or App Store, make sure we have the Discord app updated, or at least we have one of the newer versions. After that, let's quit the store and now open Discord, of course. Wait for it to load up. And once it does, of course, you have to be logged into your account right here. And then let's go ahead and quit from this chat and then open your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right here. You might think that once you tap on your picture here, you can change it. No, you can only change your status right here. If you want to change your profile picture, tap on edit profile just like that. And then you tap on that pen that should be on your profile picture. From here, you can get animated avatars or something like that, but it's paid. If you only want to change your profile picture, which is basically what you're here for, tap on upload image, give permission to the app to get access to your images basically, and then tap on gallery if you want right here. And then it's gonna give you your pictures. Just scroll through or navigate until you find the picture that you want to use as a profile picture. It's gonna take me a couple of seconds and I'm gonna use this one right here. You can resize it, zoom, flip, do whatever you want. Once you're done, tap on the tick in the top right corner. And then from here, we're not all the way done. Just tap on save in the top right corner to save the changes. If you like this profile picture, just like that, you have done that successfully. Now, if you want to change the background or the cover photo, basically, you can tap on that pen on it, but it's paid. You can only change the color. So you can choose any color you want. Just keep in mind, if you want to put a picture in the background, you need to go ahead and pay for Nitro on Discord. That's basically, guys, how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.